What is a title tag? Well, in essence, it's a clue to the content of the web page. You could say it's a summary of the web page that can be passed then to the search engine, a simple one-line title. For the user, the title tag is the label they'll find in the top left-hand corner of their browser. And in the search results, the user will see them as hyperlinks. Let's look at a real web page. This is amnesty.org. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the title tag, Amnesty International, working to protect human rights worldwide. This is the title tag for this page. If you want to view the code for the title tag, in Internet Explorer click View, then Source. This will then open up the code. Now this looks rather confusing with all this information here. However, all we need to look at right now is the title, and here you'll find it. Title: Amnesty International, working to protect human rights worldwide. Now we've looked at what a title tag is, let's look at how to write one and some of the important considerations you need to make. The title tag is an important piece of information for search engines, and it should be a summary of your web page. In order that the title tag shows properly and in full on all the major search engines like Google, Yahoo and MSN, the title tag needs to be 63 characters or less in length. You should also try to use a keyword or key phrase that relates to your page in your title tag. And finally, you should write a unique title tag for each of your website pages. Let's see why a title tag is so important. Let's go into Google and type in a very popular key phrase, mortgages. And here are the top 10 results for that key phrase. Now what you notice is these actual URLs here are the title tags for each of these pages. For example, if we click on mortgages.co.uk, we'll see the title appears here. If we go back, we can see that each page represents itself as a hyperlink through its titles. Further to this, there is the cutoff point of how long this title can be and how far it will extend across this page. This is our measure for using 63 characters or less. In addition to this, with the word mortgages as the search, mortgages appears again and again in these titles as a key phrase. Let's look at some good and bad examples of title tags. Firstly, a long list of keywords. This is a bad example of how to write a title tag. A title tag should be a description of the page, not a long list of keywords. Second example, another bad one, untitled document. You see this quite often when people don't enter title tags. Similarly, welcome to my site. Again, it tells the search engine nothing about the theme or the content of the page, and it will be useless to a visitor. Finally, your domain name. This again tells the search engine very little at all. Anyway, people can see this information in the browser. They don't need it in the title tag. Here is a better example of a title tag. Mortgage broker, professional mortgage advice at a London office. This might be a keyword, mortgage broker, and can be included. So too might be mortgage advice, or even mortgage London. This title tag manages to put the information in a concise form, does this in under 63 characters, and makes sense to someone reading it. Now to sum up, title tags are easy to edit. You can use Notepad on Windows, WYSIWYG editors like Dreamweaver, and also you'll find more and more content management systems and e-commerce software suites will allow you to edit the title tags. Keep them to 63 characters or less so they can be read in full on all major search engines. Include a key phrase in the title tag and make sure that key phrase is relevant to your web page of content. And finally, write unique title tags for every web page.